Mastering polite English, the art of saying, I apologize. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very important aspect of polite English conversation. The phrase, I apologize. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective and respectful communication, especially in situations where you need to express regret or acknowledge a mistake. So, let's get started and master the art of apologizing in English. I apologize is a formal way of expressing regret or sorrow for something you have done wrong. It's a way to acknowledge a mistake or express remorse. This phrase is often used in formal settings or when you want to show a high level of respect. It's more formal than simply saying, I'm sorry, and it carries a sense of personal responsibility for the action. You can use I apologize in various situations, such as 1. Professional contexts. In the workplace, using I apologize can show professionalism and maturity. It's suitable when addressing colleagues, superiors, or clients. 2. Formal settings. During formal events or in written communication like emails or letters, I apologize is an appropriate choice. 3. Serious mistakes. When you've made a significant error or if the situation is particularly sensitive, I apologize conveys a deeper level of remorse. To use I apologize effectively, follow these tips. Be sincere. Your tone should convey genuine regret. An insincere apology might worsen the situation. Be specific. Mention what you're apologizing for. For example, I apologize for missing the deadline. Offer a solution or remedy. If possible, suggest a way to fix the issue or prevent it from happening again. Avoid excuses. Don't try to justify your mistake. It can seem like you're not truly sorry. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use I apologize in different contexts. 1. Professional. I apologize for any confusion caused by my previous email. 2. Personal. I apologize for not attending your birthday party. I was unwell. 3. Formal apology. I apologize for the inconvenience caused due to the delay in our services. I apologize is a powerful and respectful way to express regret and take responsibility for your actions. Remember, the key is sincerity and clarity. Using this phrase appropriately can help you maintain healthy and respectful relationships, both personally and professionally. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how and when to use I apologize. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.